Hello and welcome children. As we have completed the chapter Introduction to C++ and the exercises, question answer, everything has been done. So today we will play quiz. So let's start. First question is, you will be able to run a given program using the dash. This question already discussed in the program. So the answer will be the command prompt. Next question is, a variable is a part of the computer dash dedicated to store or determine value. I hope you know this answer. It's very easy, and the answer will be what? Computer memory. Next question is, in most programs the dash serves as the standard output medium. Standard output medium means output is displayed on computer screen. A dash is simply a system in which two or more computers are connected to each other. So what will be the answer? A network. What is the term used for a subprogram that processes the given data to provide you with a value? What is the term used for a subprogram that processes the given data to provide you with a value? It will be function. Among the given options, what can be found in the documentation section of a C++ program code? What will be the answer? Here, comments. In C++, the syntax for the standard output stream is standard output stream. For output, what is the syntax? Cout. A valid variable is also known as a named dash, which a program can use to manipulate. Named storage. The values allocated for a dash integer requires only half of the space occupied by a normal integer. The values allocated for a dash integer requires only half of the space occupied by a normal integer. So whatever the space need for occupied by a normal integer, this integer takes half of the space. That means it will be short integer. You can provide any name to a valid identifier which begins with a dash, which begins with a letter. In C++, the syntax for the standard input stream, which is an instance of iStream class. Syntax for the standard input stream is cin. Today, the dash is the most widely used method to develop a software program. Today, dash is the most widely used method to develop a software program. The answer will be OOP.
That's correct.
The dash data types are used to represent any single character. Which data type represent any single character? character. The dash data type can only accept values in either of the two forms, that is true or false. True or false. It can only accept two values, either true or false. So it will be Boolean. It accept only two values. In C++, variables can only reserve the memory space required for the data, which is later defined by various dash. First we reserve the memory space for the data, later it is defined by any data types. Means the nature of the data we need to define. What are used to insert a comment in a single line? What are used to insert a comment in a single line? What we use? Plus sign, equal sign, hash sign or slash sign. We use slash signs to.
That's correct.
In C++ programming, the output is in the form of streams. Now last question, which is the most popular general purpose computer programming language in the world? It will be C++. I hope you have enjoyed this video, so please like my video and stay safe and take care of yourself. Next we will proceed with a new chapter, okay, that is program controls in C++. So thank you and have a nice day.